Hi everyone, this is Melissa Kitto of CommunicateWithAngels.com. I help spiritual seekers like you learn to communicate directly with your angels and find and live your unique life purpose. So let me ask you a question. Do you meditate? And if you do you find yourself overthinking when you meditate? So many people struggle with this, and let me tell you, it's really quite normal. I'm going to share with you today a technique that's a simple meditation method, especially if you have a tendency to be an overthinker. And I know I can do that sometimes too. So what this is it's giving you a keyword for the day. Your team of angels or spirit guides are with you all the time, giving you hunches, impressions, inspiration, etc. And the reason they're with us is because they're here to help us learn and grow. That's why we're here in this lifetime. And also to help you live your unique life purpose, to guide you toward that, along with the growth that you might have along the way. So a simple way to be connected with your angels and have a daily practice of tuning in and meditating with them is what we call the keywords technique. And it's very simple to do, but hey, simple is good, right? It actually doesn't have to be complicated. So here's how it works. What you would do is when you first wake up in the morning, cleanse if you know how to do that, or take a few deep breaths and relax. And say in your mind, angels, what is my keyword for today? Take a deep breath and relax and allow a word to come into your mind. And the word that I just heard was relax. Go with your first impression. Don't overthink it. So you might have a journal. I like to have a journal for this. And I just write in my journal my keyword. I write the date and my keyword is relax. Then I would take a minute or two to meditate on what does the word relax mean to me and why is it important for me today. So I might write a couple of lines such as, there's a lot going on in my life, so it's important to just stay relaxed and not get overwhelmed. Something like that. Whatever relax means to you that day and why you think your angels might be giving you that little reminder. So now the word that you got is your pivot point for the day. Throughout my day, I'm going to remind myself that my keyword today is relax and just take a moment to reflect on that. Or if I feel like I'm getting out of balance in any way or pressured, okay, my keyword today is relax. Go through that day with the keyword as your pivot point. Your keyword could be anything. It could be tree. It could be harmony. It could be light. Don't judge the word. Go with it. Even if it seems strange, just go with it. The strange ones can even be more helpful sometimes. Then when you get to the end of the day, open up your journal again. Okay, my keyword today was relax, or whatever it was for you. How did this word fit for me today? What did I learn about myself with that keyword as a focus? And you don't have to write in a journal. That's an option. That's the way I like to do it. But you might just think about that and bring it to mind. And I also use this as an opportunity to get any other messages from my guides that they might want to share with me that I haven't been paying attention to throughout the rest of the day. And that's it. So this is a really simple meditation method that gives you an opportunity to check in with your guides, for them to share a message with you that's going to help you throughout your day. And it's only one word that you have to bring in. That one word can be extremely powerful. We really seem to make it more complicated than it needs to be. You will be amazed at the power of just getting that key word every day. So give it a try. Ask your angels right now, what is my keyword for today? And then post that in the comments below. We'd love to hear it and get feedback from everybody. And if you're new, I would love to invite you to check out my 3-part video series on how to connect with your angels. You can find that at angelvideoseries.com. If you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, please help us out, subscribe. I share these videos every 2 weeks, so I'd love to stay connected with you. And I will see you in 2 weeks' time. Bye for now.